Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Ever feel like there aren't enough hours in the day? Like you're constantly repeating the same tasks over and over? Well, what if I told you there's a revolutionary force out there that's not just helping us, but is actively learning and doing things for us, all on its own? Get ready, because today we're diving into the fascinating world of automation in AI. So, what exactly is automation in AI? Think of it this way. AI, or artificial intelligence, is like a super smart brain that can think, learn, and make decisions. Now, imagine you give that super smart brain the ability to act on its decisions, to do tasks automatically without needing constant human input. That, my friends, is automation in AI. It's when intelligent systems don't just understand what needs to be done, but they actually go ahead and do it, learning and adapting as they go. Let's make this crystal clear with some real-world examples. Because while it sounds futuristic, it's already shaping our lives. Example 1. Your smart home. You walk in, and the lights turn on automatically, the thermostat adjusts to your preferred temperature, and your favorite music starts playing. That's not magic. That's AI observing your habits and automating your home systems for comfort and convenience. It learns when you arrive, what you like, and anticipates your needs. Example 2. Customer service chatbots. Ever chatted with a friendly bot on a website that quickly answers your questions or helps you track an order? That's AI-powered automation at work. These bots understand your queries, access information, and provide solutions instantly, freeing up human agents for more complex issues. They learn from every interaction, getting smarter and more efficient. Example 3. Manufacturing and robotics. In factories, robotic arms are not just programmed to do one specific task. With AI, they can learn to identify defects, adjust their movements for different product variations, and even predict when they need maintenance, all autonomously. This speeds up production, improves quality, and makes workplaces safer. These aren't just cool gadgets, they're fundamentally changing how we live and work. Automation in AI isn't about replacing humans, it's about empowering us to focus on more creative, complex, and meaningful tasks by taking over the repetitive and time-consuming ones. It's about efficiency, innovation, and making our lives smoother. The future is here, and it's being automated by AI. If you found this explanation helpful, insightful, or even just a little bit mind-blowing, please hit that like button, subscribe for more amazing content, and leave a comment below telling us what AI automation you're most excited about. Or, if you know someone who needs to understand how AI is simplifying our world, share this video with them. Let's spread the knowledge.